Look, Arsh, the train station! Are we going by train? Yes, we are. I am so excited. Let's go inside. Come on, Max.
Hello.
Hello.
2 tickets?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Here you are.
Let's find our train. Where is our train? Platform 3. This way? Yes, follow me. I can see the train. Great. Let's walk. Come on, Max.
Welcome.
The train is big.
Please come in.
Thank you. Let's get on. I'm ready. I have the window seat. Lucky you. Look outside. The view is beautiful. I love trains. Me too. Let's go. The train is moving.
Yes, it is.
Look at the trees. They are beautiful. Beautiful. The houses are small. Everything looks nice. This is fun. Look, a big bridge and a blue river. Can you see the birds? Yes, they're flying. I like this view. Me too. Wow. It's dark. We are in a tunnel. Now it's bright again. The tunnel is over. That was exciting.
Yes, it was.
Let's keep looking. Look at the cows. They are eating grass. I see sheep too, and beautiful flowers. This trip is amazing. I love the countryside.
Hello.
Hello. Can I have some juice?
Of course.
1 juice, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. We are here. That was a nice trip.
I enjoyed the train.
So did I.
Let's take our bags.
Come on, Max. Let's go. Today we learned new words. Train, station, ticket, platform, window. See you next time.